Up out of the shotgun doubles flex weak pats, we have the halfback counter. So same motion, you're just going to be going the other way, and you get a little bit of a wham block outside, which can help. I mean, you can see right there, you're not always going to read it as good as I did, but you can see there's definitely, you have some lanes for sure. So like I said, I wish that motion was a little bit faster, so my opponent didn't have time to set up the defense mid-motion. But you can see, I mean, like I said, it's like a typical counterplay. If you're going to have to go inside or outside, and that's going to be the play.